Ashewo, Ashewo, boom, boom.
Customer, check her now.
Customer, you go enjoy me, oh.
Baby. No.
Who, please? Customer.
Succulent. I love your skin.
I have tough skin, Gorilla standard.
Thunder fire you.
Come right in.
But if you pay so,
I will.
I did knock with you no good.
Come make you smile.
Tomorrow shower with they do now. You don't go out, did you join them?
And I get fashion.
I better take out my guy well. Wait. Wait.
But I see my baby with another boy.
Out of me and you, one go take ground. Dead body go surplus.
Mickey. Who be this boy?
Wait.
Who be this guy?
Who is this?
That's movie this
It's not what you think.
Move that boy. Because my baby is my life.
What is this? What's going on?
Customer beg no verse.
Okay.
And my baby this. You go help me go chop am for my house before we go hotel.
Ashewo, boom, boom.
Madam, you go do fast too. Now short time now you pay for it. I don't get plenty time to waste. Did you hear me? Meanwhile, no romance, no kissing, and straight to the point.
I don't hear you. Fine boy. Why your blood dey hot? Come.
That's what I do for you.
I beg, give me 1 minute here. I will come.
Madam, you don't start to. I go verse come out to. One thing I go to say, I shall to the get the body. Don't waste my time. I don't get time to waste.
I dey come. Oh. I dey like come from back home. Give me back.
For how much will you pay with all the Celestine? Now that be open leg. Customer when they pay one and I just the stress person pass. I bet time up.
Take me where I know could do this thing.
Which kind of nonsense be that one? How many times you want to do me? How much you even pay?
Do you? What did they talk about?
Not you do me finish just now.
Me do you? Let's say they mad. Me wey come out now, go find wetin go wear. Make we for do this thing. They tell me say I do you. Oga do wear something more with wetin want do.
Madam, not be you do me.
Hey.
Who I call open leg for?
Oga, I can't date.
Ashewo.
Customer.
Take it easy.
Oh, come on now.
The chubby one, please.
Customer,
The chubby one.
now, wow.
Customer, good day.
How are you?
I did fine, madam.
I'm actually running late for a meeting.
Okay.
So I don't know if it will be convenient for you to meet me up in my hotel later.
Madam, I will fit join you now. I just one call away. I'm only one call away.
Ashewo.
Your guy don't turn to musician.
But I go enjoy me, not be lie.
Well, that's not the problem, and I'm going to pay you very well.
You didn't want.
Okay, let me have your phone so I can give you my number. All right, no problem.
Oh, did not rob me. What's happened? That customer just now, he thief my phone, he can't run.
Welcome to the street.
I never expected it.